So first off, I want to address this isn't our title vehicle. I had to replace the hood. There was damage on this side. The new hood I got had a little bit of damage on that side. I fixed it. It turned out really good. This is a 2003 Mini Cooper. It is not an S. I got the Cooper S hood from a salvage yard and fit it to this car. This is just the regular Mini Cooper. It is the Chili Red Edition, which on that gives you the white roof, white mirrors, and powder-coated white wheels from the factory. This car only has 108,000 miles. It is a 5-speed manual. It is a fun car to drive. All 4 tires are like new. I replaced the valve cover gasket because it was leaking, and I replaced a coolant fitting on the backside of the engine because it was leaking. I have an ABS fault right now for the passenger front wheel. I did order the sensor. I have to wait until it comes. Once it comes, it'll be replaced. Only thing wrong with this vehicle is the key fob. It locks and unlocks, but it only locks and unlocks the rear hatch and gas cap. Both door actuators are bad. The car's so small you can reach across and lock and unlock the doors by your hand, and you can unlock the door with the keys. So I wasn't really worried about replacing them. I like to make these cars mechanically sound, and with all the repairs I did, that was just one thing that I didn't do. The hood was the only thing that I did body work on and had painted. There was some paint work on the side and it was rough, so I color sanded and buffed the car so it is now shiny on both sides. That took a long time. That was a lot of work and effort. I cleaned the interior, changed the oil and filter. I do that on every vehicle. And yeah, it's just a fun little car. So anyway, guys, if you are looking for a small car that gets really good gas mileage and has low mileage, good tires, and doesn't need anything, it's ready to rock and roll, hit me up on Facebook, send me a message. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. The price is as listed on the sale ad. Hit me up. And if you want to see some of the other builds that I've been doing, or other vehicles that I have for sale, go check out my YouTube page at Unwrecked on YouTube.